We'll guide you through how to convert your Figma designs to Lovable easily and efficiently. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your Figma project in the desktop app or web browser. Make sure all your design elements are properly organized and grouped, as this will ensure a smoother conversion. Next, go to the top menu and click on the plugins option. In the dropdown, select Manage Plugins to open the Figma plugin directory. Search for the Lovable Converter plugin, which is specifically designed for converting Figma files into lovable formats. Once you find it, click Install to add it to your Figma account. After installation, go back to your design file. Right-click on the canvas or use the top menu to navigate to the plugins section. Again, this time, select the Lovable Converter plugin from the list. The plugin will open a new panel on the right side of your screen. Here, you can specify the export settings, such as selecting specific frames or the entire document. Choose the desired output format, usually Lovable's preferred file type, and hit Convert. The plugin will process your design and provide a download link or automatically save it to your specified destination. It's a good idea to double check the converted file for any discrepancies and ensure everything looks as expected in Lovable. And that's it. You've successfully converted your Figma design to Lovable. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.